In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add Snapchat link in your Instagram bio. This is a great way to expand your social media reach and increase engagement across platforms. It allows your Instagram followers to easily find and connect with you on Snapchat. You want to head to Snapchat. Tap right here to head to your profile. Tap onto this share icon and select copy. Your Snapchat profile link will get copied to clipboard. Now head to Instagram. Onto your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Head to Links. Tap on Add External Link. Paste in your Snapchat account link. Then under Title, write in Snapchat. Tap on Done to save changes. Your Snapchat account link will definitely show up in your Instagram bio. Well, that's how easy it is to add Snapchat link to Instagram bio. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.